Okay, here we are in my E350 2016. We're now going to start the upgrade process. And we're waiting. To start this off, you first set the radio on telephone, then you turn off the car. See if I can turn down the fan here. There we go. Alright, so you start off on telephone, turn off the car, operate the door, open and close it. Press start. I didn't mind pressing start twice, and then I inserted the OBD2 port, and then now it's been doing its thing here. Gave me the hardware ID, and then now it's continuing to work. While we're waiting, I probably should send a nice shout out to Richie Boyle and his dad for their efforts to videotape their upgrade. Appreciate it, Richie. And of course, that gave me confidence that I could do this myself. So here we are, working at number 4. Airplane flying overhead. As mentioned before, the step up could go anywhere from 1 up to 10 or 14. And this one is at 7 and counting. Waiting for the head unit to reboot. Pregnant pause while we're waiting for the system to restart. And there we are. Turn down the music just a little bit. We're on the diagnosis screen now. That's a good sign. Rebooting. That's 2 reboots so far. Success. CarPlay V1. That's a good sign. Now okay, it's rebooting. So now we should have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Excellent. Alrighty. At this point, I only have one item taping all of this, so I'll have to actually play with Android Auto later, and I'll give a report on that. But so far, it looks like it has worked. Talk to you all later.